When trading U.S. futures, you need to understand contract rollover, the process of transitioning your positions to the next month's contract to avoid expiration. Rollover typically occurs 4 times a year. Traders watch for the moment when the next contract's volume surpasses the current one. This is the signal to update your positions. AlgoBox simplifies rollover with its AlgoBox contract rollover indicator. It automatically plots vertical lines on your charts to mark rollover dates. No more guessing or memorizing dates. The indicator ensures you're always prepared. To set it up, press Ctrl+I, select AlgoBox Contract Rollover, and click Apply. The vertical yellow line appears, showing exactly when to roll over. With AlgoBox, you'll never miss a rollover. Stay ahead with automated tools that make trading simpler and smarter. Stay on track. Trade with confidence using AlgoBox trademark. Thanks for joining us. Until next time, trade smart.